Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Snapchat voice message on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window. In this is window, we will go down and we will click here on apps. Then we come to apps window here, like you say, we will just go down here to looking for Snapchat app here. And this is window, we will just go down to looking for Snapchat. We will click here on Snapchat and we will go to this is window. Next window here we will click here on for stop, and we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage. Then we come to a storage window, we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.